Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that on the front at the charging case under the LED light right here we have touch area. So you need to double press at this touch area 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have the red LED light, so we performing the soft reset. After that, it starts blinking white and we can reconnect them. So, it open for you pop-up here, and you click connect at the bottom, but also you can go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth and tap at your earbuds here. Then forget device, and now we can connect them, so click connect at the bottom, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!